Okay, this is a really quick video for the ball earthers. I've watched P900 Coolpics' latest video, Do You Seriously Think You Live on a Ball? And I've got a little challenge for you ball earthers that think that you live on a sphere and that everything that you see can be argued and manipulated into a ball earth proof when it clearly isn't. So this is a freeze frame or a still from this time period in the video. You can see it in the bottom left hand corner. And you can clearly see that Snaefell is in the picture. This is now an image of the three contour lines that I want you ball earthers to go and identify. I don't need the name, I just want the elevations of them. It's very easy to distinguish because this P1000, the infrared camera, cuts through all that haze that the P900s did have, and it makes it really quite obvious what we're looking at. So on screen I've got the three yellow lines that indicate the three contour lines, and number one is the top edge of Snaefell, number two is the ravine in the middle ground, and then number three is this cleavage kind of thing where there's two overlaying contours of land. So there's one that seems to be in front of the other, and look at the lighting is very bright and contrasty. It indicates that it's close, significantly closer to us, because the differential or the definition in the resolution of what we can see is, well, it's significantly better than the stuff in the background, isn't it? So it indicates that it's significantly closer, and obviously by how bright it is and its relative position to the ravine in the middle ground and the land in the background, the Snaefell mountain in the background, we can identify this. The problem is, Sandra claims, and I'm just using the image, I've not looked it up myself, but the target distance is nearly 70 miles and the target height is 2,000. The target hidden height, look at that. So we've got a value there for the hidden height. Please identify the land identified as number 3 and its height. And I don't know how you can still claim that this is a ball when you see this kind of quality evidence. None of this should be seen, guys. Yet we see it. Notice how squashed it appears to be on the base of it as well. Think about somebody that recently might have jumped ship, and he jumped ship because there was a conveniently placed Blackpool town in front of the mountain. Imagine that there was a Blackpool town in front of this mountain. I can hear the comments now. Where's the base of the mountain? Well, Blackpool's covering it, isn't it? Well, now we can see that there is the base of the mountain because there's no Blackpool covering it. And we're seeing right the way down to the beach. Oh yes, we are. It's just a little bit squashed. We know it's not the curvature of Earth, because if it was the curvature of Earth, the waterline would have to obscure it, wouldn't it? There'd have to be a wall of water blocking the amount of curvature. Why do we see it? Why is it compressed at the bottom? And why is this footage not converting every single ball earther into a flat earther? What nonsense are you going to come back with, guys? The elevation of this land identified as number 3 can be replicated on Google Earth very easily, and you can all do it. You don't even need the geometry of the Earth to work it out. You can see how high we can see. You can see that it's on the coast. You can see that it's down to the beach. Welcome to Flat Earth. This is probably the best Flat Earth proof that I have ever seen.